okay.
Hey everybody, it's Grace, and it's time for full drinks at the Hiccup. One of my favorite flavors are maple and cinnamon. So how about we make a maple cinnamon cortado? This is a cortado cup, and we're gonna be making the drink in this cup. I'm just gonna get this tub of maple syrup, and I'm gonna pour it into this cup. Give it a tap, a twist, and then we have to be careful not to hurt our wrists because it can be painful. While the espresso machine is rolling, I'm just gonna get some almond milk and start steaming the cinnamon with it. I just love the flavor cinnamon because it has like that distinct full flavor, and I think this is gonna taste great. And now I'm just gonna give the espresso and the maple syrup a mix so that they blend well. And then I'll pour this almond milk into the cup. And here you go, our first full drink. If you want to check out more Asbury full drinks, then you should totally follow Hiccup at Asbury Hiccup on Instagram.